Exponents by Trace and Jackson.
What are exponents? Exponents are used to write larger numbers in a form that is smaller. Example, 5 cubed. 5 is the base number, and the 3 shows how many times to multiply 5 by itself.
How do I use exponents? 5 cubed is another way to write 125, but in a smaller form. The way you get to 125 is by multiplying the base number 5 by itself 3 times. 5 times 5 times 5 is the base 5 multiplied by itself 3 times, which equals 125.
Problems. 1. 4 to the third power. This is another way of saying 4 times 4 times 4. The answer is 64. 2. 7 to the fifth power. This is another way of saying 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. The answer is 16,807. 3. 6 to the sixth power. This is another way of saying 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. The answer is 46,656.
When should I use exponents? You can use exponents when you have a large number and you can abbreviate it with an exponent. You can use exponents when using area or volume to square or cube the unit.
Square roots. Square roots are also exponents. A square root is a number that makes a certain number when multiplied by itself. For example, the square root of 49 is 7 because 7 times 7, or 7 squared, is 49.
Perfect squares. A perfect square is a square root that ends up as a whole number because square roots aren't always whole. A perfect square would be 49 because the square root 7 is a whole. A non-perfect square root would be 50 because the square root of 50 is 7.07.